to Zach and Mia's world. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a race truck on uni and guess what it really is?
So you got what?
A race truck.
Wow, that is so cool. So what does this racetrack do?
I don't know yet.
You don't know? Can we have a look at it?
Yes, but we will know here.
Let's see. So this is the racetrack, everyone. It has a race van. It has a car. And it's called a racetrack pit stop. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And now Zach is going to open it for you and show you all what it does.
So I need to do this. This looks a bit funny. There we go. Come on, big hot box. I think the mom's might be into this box I found.
What is it?
It's a box.
Ooh, what's in there?
It's commands are in and the stuff. I think it's where all the stuff are in.
Okay. So what did you get inside there? Yay! What's that?
And this cones. A sign.
Okay.
This one helps the car. And this one, he talks to the car. I'm gonna copy the box. Where's the box?
The box is right over here. What are you going to do with this box?
See what we do there.
Okay.
Okay. The fan goes in the middle. The fan goes in here. Have you seen PJ Masks? Guys?
Do you like PJ Masks?
Yeah. Have you seen it, guys?
Oh, that is so cool.
What does this do?
That is pretty cool.
That lifts it up. Is this a steering wheel? Maybe it's for a helicopter.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, you're correct. It does have a hitch on it, doesn't it?
Yeah. This is where wheels are. I know. Oh no. Let's see if we have one of these.
Zach, what's your favourite car?
Mercedes
Mercedes.
and Ferraris and Subarus.
Wow. Which one are you going to have when you grow up?
A Ferrari.
A Ferrari. What colour?
Red or black or blue.
The colour red
Or black or blue.
or black and blue. Are they your favourite colours?
Yeah. This goes here. This faces this way. Oh, then it needs to go here. Then. So, at the back of the picture, so to come here. Then put this one goes. One here, one here. Maybe I need a bit more like smudged in so it looks better here. And one here.
So now what's going to happen?
They are setting up which can we do here? Maybe this goes.
Are they not racing?
Not yet because I'm setting up.
Okay, you're setting up the race.
Yeah.
Wow.
What else does it have? Oh, maybe the van wants to go. Yes, this part here. Oh, is this open? Oh, it's not open. Ah, it does open.